The universe loves to play hide and seek. It has secrets, mysteries hidden in the fabric of reality. But guess what? We're getting really good at finding them. We've got a new detective on the case, artificial intelligence, or AI for short. AI is like having a super-powered Sherlock Holmes for the cosmos. Think of the universe as a giant jigsaw puzzle. Each piece is a particle, a tiny speck of matter. Putting the puzzle together tells us how the universe works. That's what particle physics is all about. Now imagine trying to solve this puzzle with billions and billions of pieces. That's the challenge facing particle physicists. But don't worry, AI is here to save the day. Okay, let's talk particles. Imagine the universe is like a giant Lego set. Everything you see, from your pet hamster to that distant star, is built from these tiny Lego blocks. These blocks are the fundamental particles. Particle physicists want to know, what are these fundamental blocks and how do they fit together? It's like figuring out the universe's instruction manual. This is where things get really interesting, and a tad messy. These particles don't just sit still. They interact with each other. These interactions are governed by forces. And those forces? Well, they're the rules of the universe's game. The universe, despite its chaotic appearance, loves order. It follows a set of rules, or forces. We've got 4 fundamental forces: gravity, electromagnetism, the weak force, and the strong force. Gravity, you know it well. It's why what goes up must come down. Except for my basketball shots, those sometimes get stuck on the rim. Electromagnetism powers your phone and makes magnets stick to your fridge. The weak and strong forces are a bit more mysterious. They operate at the tiniest levels, holding the nucleus of an atom together. Think of them as the glue that keeps the universe from falling apart. Now, to study these particles and forces, we need a seriously powerful tool. This isn't just any tool, it's the pinnacle of human engineering and scientific collaboration. Enter the Large Hadron Collider, or LHC. This marvel of modern science is the largest and most powerful particle accelerator ever built. It's a giant underground particle racetrack located near Geneva, Switzerland. Stretching over 17 miles in circumference, it's buried deep beneath the Earth to protect it from cosmic rays and other interferences. Here's the gist. We take tiny particles like protons and accelerate them to nearly the speed of light. Imagine a car race, but instead of cars we have protons zooming around at unimaginable speeds. Then we smash them together. These collisions are incredibly energetic, releasing forces and particles that we can study. It's like a demolition derby on a subatomic scale. The aftermath of these collisions reveals the secrets of the universe. The energy from these collisions creates a shower of new particles. These particles are often short-lived, existing for just fractions of a second. By studying these particles, we can learn about the fundamental building blocks of the universe. This includes particles like quarks, electrons, and even the elusive Higgs boson. The LHC produces an insane amount of data. Each collision event generates a wealth of information that needs to be meticulously analyzed. We're talking petabytes per second, enough to fill up your entire hard drive in a heartbeat. This data is stored and processed using some of the most advanced computing systems in the world. This is where AI comes in to sift through the chaos and find those aha moments. Advanced algorithms help scientists identify patterns and make sense of the vast amounts of data, leading to groundbreaking discoveries. The LHC is not just a machine, it's a global collaboration. Scientists from all over the world come together to push the boundaries of our understanding. This collective effort is what makes the discoveries possible. Since its inception, the LHC has achieved numerous milestones, including the discovery of the Higgs boson in 2012. Each discovery brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. And the journey doesn't stop here. Future upgrades and experiments promise even more exciting discoveries. The LHC continues to be at the forefront of scientific exploration, pushing the limits of what we know and what we can achieve. Section 5, AI to the rescue. Making sense of the data deluge. Imagine trying to find a needle in a haystack the size of Mount Everest. The sheer volume of data generated today is staggering. From social media interactions to scientific research, the amount of information we produce is growing exponentially. This data deluge can be overwhelming, making it nearly impossible to extract meaningful insights without advanced tools. That's the challenge of analyzing data from the LHC. The Large Hadron Collider at CERN generates petabytes of data every year from particle collisions. Each collision event can produce thousands of particles, and scientists need to sift through this massive amount of information to find significant results. It's like trying to find your keys after a late-night pizza party. The data is there, but it's buried under layers of noise and irrelevant information. Traditional methods of data analysis are simply not up to the task, but AI thrives in chaos. Artificial intelligence has the capability to process and analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. It can handle the complexity and scale of modern data sets, making it an invaluable tool for researchers and scientists. AI algorithms can sift through this data much faster and more efficiently than humans ever could. They can process millions of data points in seconds, identifying patterns and correlations that would take humans years to uncover. They can spot patterns, identify anomalies, and even predict the existence of new particles. This predictive power is one of the most exciting aspects of AI in scientific research. By analyzing existing data, AI can make educated guesses about what might be discovered next. AI is like having a million grad students working around the clock. It can tirelessly analyze data, generate hypotheses, and even design experiments. This allows human researchers to focus on the creative and interpretative aspects of science, while AI handles the heavy lifting. AI algorithms can identify the subtle signals of new particles or interactions from the background noise of trillions of collisions. This ability to detect faint signals amidst overwhelming noise is crucial for advancing our understanding of the universe. It's like finding a whisper in a hurricane. The precision and efficiency of AI in data analysis are transforming the way we conduct research, making it possible to uncover new discoveries and insights that were previously out of reach. Section 6, AI's Eureka Moments, Unveiling New Particles and Interactions. In this section, we delve into the groundbreaking discoveries made possible by artificial intelligence in the realm of particle physics and cosmology. So, what has AI helped us discover? The answer is nothing short of revolutionary. AI has become an indispensable tool in the hands of scientists, enabling them to sift through vast amounts of data and identify patterns that would be impossible for humans to detect on their own. For starters, AI played a key role in confirming the existence of the Higgs boson, a particle that gives other particles mass. This discovery was monumental, as it validated the standard model of particle physics, which describes how fundamental particles interact. This was a major victory for particle physics, like finding the last missing piece of a 10,000-piece puzzle. Imagine the excitement and relief of scientists who had been searching for this elusive particle for decades. But here's the thing about the universe. There's always more to discover. The cosmos is vast and full of mysteries that continue to baffle even the most brilliant minds. AI is helping us search for new particles and forces that could explain some of the biggest mysteries in physics. From the tiniest subatomic particles to the grandest cosmic structures, AI is our guide in this uncharted territory. Dark matter, dark energy, these are terms that often come up in discussions about the universe's composition. Despite making up most of the universe, they remain some of the least understood phenomena. The behavior of neutrinos, these ghostly particles that pass through almost everything without leaving a trace, is another area where AI is making significant strides. By analyzing data from neutrino detectors, AI helps us understand these elusive particles better. These are just a few of the cosmic enigmas that AI might help us solve. The potential for discovery is immense, and we are only scratching the surface of what AI can do in the field of physics. It's like having a superpower that lets us peek behind the curtain of reality. With AI, we are not just observing the universe, we are beginning to understand its deepest secrets, one discovery at a time. Section 7. The Future of Physics, AI Leading the Charge. The future of particle physics is intertwined with AI. As we build even more powerful colliders and generate mountains of data, AI will be essential for making sense of it all. Imagine AI designing experiments, analyzing data in real time, and even suggesting new theories. It's like having a co-pilot on our journey to understand the universe. AI is not here to replace physicists, of course. It's here to augment our abilities, to help us see what we might otherwise miss. It's like having a superpower that allows us to explore the universe in ways we never thought possible. Section 8. The Implications of New Discoveries, Rewriting the Cosmic Playbook. Every new discovery in particle physics has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. These discoveries could lead to new technologies, new energy sources, and even a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. Imagine harnessing the power of new particles or forces. We could see advancements in medicine, space travel, and even solve some of the world's most pressing problems. It's like opening a door to a universe of possibilities. These discoveries remind us that the universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of wonder and surprises. Section 9, Conclusion: A universe of possibilities awaits. The universe is a pretty amazing place. And thanks to AI, we're starting to unravel its secrets. With every new discovery, we're getting closer to understanding the fundamental nature of reality. It's a journey full of excitement, wonder, and maybe even a few more explosions at the LHC. So, buckle up, keep looking up, and never stop asking questions. The universe is vast, but with AI by our side, who knows what we might discover next?